This gecko can literally walk on water to escape predators, but that's just the beginning. Arctic foxes change their entire coat color twice a year. Octopuses reshape their bodies to mimic rocks, plants, even other fish. Bombardier beetles create actual explosions inside their bodies to blast attackers. Pistol shrimp snap their claws so fast they create bubbles hotter than the sun. Tardigrades survive in the vacuum of space for over a year. Glass frogs make their skin completely transparent to vanish from predators, and some lizards can detach their tails and regrow them perfectly. Nature isn't just surviving. It's engineering miracles every single day.